In a small town, Lily had a special gift. She could talk to animals. One day, Lily overheard her friends whispering secrets under the old oak tree. Lily watched in astonishment as her friends weaved deceitful stories for their parents. Lily decided to teach her friends a lesson with a game of truth or dare in the sunny meadow. Slowly, the children realized the consequences of their lies during the game. When Lily confronted them, her friends burst into laughter, not understanding the seriousness of her words. Suddenly, the friends shared knowing glances, realizing the value of honesty. Together, they promised to always tell the truth, forging a stronger friendship. The children sat beneath the oak tree, now wiser, their laughter echoing the newfound understanding of truth and integrity.